awase Solicitor General Shadrack Mose twalera bagawikirana busyo bwe committee yebunge eyuetenerete amangana yechibesago se public accounts elio kwerera igoro yobutumekibwe nibo ase chiabisi che serikali
gagukwana ni go Shadrack Nyamira kovaga kwegerera obotumekibwa bisase obotumekibwe chibesa ase chiabisi che serikali ase buganyare ko otebe serikali gerete ko bike merubiri ao kwene kiabuna obwasyo ko banyare ko bokorekana aso botumekibwe chibesa gati ya ebitambuke bino kwene kiabuna omurubiriyo oyonyare ko bokobekwa ase ncherekerero osensemo elia ya eke digitali.
The judiciary case filing, everything is being done online. DPP are at a very advanced stage in terms of automation of their services. They are present in every court. They can do virtual hearings. The same is not happening in the state law office and as well as correctional services, and the other departments have been saying that you are pulling them backwards. So even as we look at this at the level of a policy, we also look at it at the global level of what this office is supposed to do to facilitate the attainment of the goals of justice. And we would want your comment in terms of if you are not deploying this and the other sister, brother departments are doing it, where does that leave us?
It is true that after developing the policy, we have been implementing various aspects of it. The part of the documented report, maybe if you allow, we can also avail it in due time, according to your time. That one I know is not present in what is there, but the implementation of what has been done is there and we can avail it.
Chair, in terms of automation and in respect of the other justice sectors like the judiciary, the ODPP and others, we recently through a CAP memo were able to first allowed to do what we call decentralization of the state law office across all the 47 counties. Through that same CAP memo, because we have had constraints in terms of the resource allocation, we were allowed to now be able to seek from the exchequer resources that would allow us to do the aspect of decentralization, which has been a serious dent because the resources required and what has been the budgetary allocation to the state law office has been extremely minimal. But I'm sure with the refuge that we have gotten, we should be able to not only keep pace with the other justice sectors, but even be able to surpass them as a major.